We have the ability to grow things on our doorstep, being more sustainable, so why don't we? And it's nice to be here. I've been here since the start, since we started it. I feel very invested in the project. It's exactly what I've wanted to be happening around here, and now it finally is, which is great. I think it's very important to have the community involved in food growing. We've taken this field over from being an agricultural field, so it's going to take some time for it to heal. But just this plot of land, we're going to be able to potentially make vegetables for half of Kirriemuir.
This is Sustainable Kirriemuir's community farm on Coronation Estate, which is on the outskirts of Kirriemuir. We took on the lease of this land in November 2024 last year, and our aspiration is to establish a eventually 17-acre community farm. For us as a community, we feel it's important to have more produce that's available, that's grown here, that's pesticide free, it's nature friendly, it's wholesome, it's full of nutrients, and that we've had a part to play in growing that. And that's one of the reasons why we're trying to grow as much as we can for the community.
Not everything goes to plan, but we find a way of seeing the positives in that. So last year I just planted in the beds and we grew lots and lots of foods. So this year I'm not as daunted and I keep experimenting to see what will work well with it. We're here today at the Sustainable Kirriemuir Community Garden. I am the Food and Project Officer here, and I lead the volunteer sessions and all the growing here. I pretty much sort of manage the field and what's going on. Yeah. Working with people can be difficult, but finding their strengths and what they love to do, what they feel valued doing, and bringing that out in them in the garden is a whole other job in itself. In my head, I always think if it's not enjoyable, it's not sustainable.
We've got such a huge team of volunteers and supportive members, but it's only a chunk of Kirriemuir, it's only a chunk of Angus, it's only a chunk of Scotland. And I think the thing that we want to try and do as an organisation is to spread that message further. We want to be a town that is working together and showing the rest of Scotland and the UK and the policymakers and the government about what can be achieved when you have that support. If we're getting a handful of people to change the way they live or think about the impact that they're having on nature and the environment, then that would be amazing if we can just keep rippling out and making changes.